Alright, I'm here in Statesville, North Carolina, and I'm testing on Electrify America for my Thunderbolt A to Z adapter, CCS, to Tesla. And currently we're ramped up to 115 kilowatts an hour, and I'm sure that'll go up. So this is, did not have a local supercharger to put in for a destination to charge this up and heat the battery pack. So this is just after a 35-minute drive, and we came with a state of charge of 18%. Just wanted to bring a quick update about the ChargerMan CCS adapter. It's also known by A to Z Thunderbolt plug. Looks like I actually found an Electrify America station 150 kilowatt hour plug that's actually working well with this. Looks like I was topping out around 114 kilowatt hours for the charge, and it went down from there. But it looks like my previous test at Electrify America was indeed the charger itself and the location that was having issues. So arrived at the site with 18% state of charge, and 28 minutes later ended up with a 78% charge. It filled it up 32.25 kilowatt hours of capacity, and it took 28 minutes. So yeah, it does look like it works pretty good, and glad to see that it just didn't judge the outcome on this by just one location. And this location was at Statesville, North Carolina. Hope you enjoyed the video.